How to find hidden apps on Android. First of all, launch Settings app on your device. Now you need to head towards the home page of Settings. Scroll down. Locate the privacy option. Open it, and next to permission you will see privacy option. Select that. And under privacy protection there are three options: app lock, hide apps, and private save. Let's tap hide apps and you need to add your biometrics. And then you will land on this hide apps page where you will see the hidden option next to all. Select that. So currently there is no application on hidden section. If you have any apps hidden, you will easily find hidden application on this section. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.